Strass 3D house printers, the future of fast and affordable homes. Imagine building a house in just a few days instead of months. 3D house printers are making this possible. These high-tech machines use special materials to print buildings layer by layer, following a digital blueprint. This process is faster, cheaper, and more efficient than traditional construction methods. With incredible precision, 3D printers can create strong, durable homes, offices, and even bridges. The technology, known as two-photon polymerization, ensures detailed and high-quality results. Leading companies like Icon, Apis Core, CBE, Wasp, and Winsun are pushing the limits of what's possible, proving that 3D printing is the future of construction. One major advantage is sustainability. 3D house printers use fewer materials and reduce waste, making them an eco-friendly option. They also lower labor costs, making housing more affordable. In the future, this technology could provide quick housing solutions for disaster relief or help solve global housing shortages. Ambidex Robot, a smart and fast robotic arm. The Ambidex robot is a lightweight, high-speed robotic arm designed to work safely alongside humans. Created by Neor Labs, this advanced machine weighs just 2.6 kilograms, but can lift up to 3 kilograms with ease. What makes it special is its unique cable-driven design, allowing smooth and precise movements at a speed of 5 meters per second. One of its most exciting features is real-time remote control using 5G networks. This means operators can control the robot from anywhere, making it perfect for tasks like assembling furniture, assisting in factories, or handling delicate objects. Unlike traditional robots, Ambidex is built for safe human interaction, ensuring smooth collaboration in workplaces. It also has learning capabilities, meaning it can be trained to perform tasks efficiently through AI-driven programming. Whether used in manufacturing, research, or daily tasks, Ambidex represents the future of robotics. Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is the ultimate goal of AI research. Unlike today's AI, which is designed for specific tasks like playing chess or recognizing faces, AGI would be able to think, learn, and solve problems just like a human. Imagine a machine that can understand different subjects, adapt to new situations, and make decisions on its own. It could change the world in ways we can't even fully imagine yet. With AGI, medicine could become more advanced with personalized treatments, scientific discoveries could accelerate, and even art and music could be created alongside humans. The potential is endless, but so are the concerns. Who will control these super intelligent machines? How can we make sure they are used for good and not harm? Right now, AGI is still in development, but experts are working hard to bring it closer to reality. Some believe it could be the greatest invention ever, while others worry about the risks. Blue Walker 3 satellite. Imagine having a strong mobile signal anywhere in the world, even in the middle of the ocean or deep in the mountains. That's the goal of Blue Walker 3, a powerful communication satellite developed by AST Space Mobile. Launched in September 2022, it has a huge 693 square foot antenna, making it one of the biggest commercial satellites ever sent into space. Unlike regular satellites, Blue Walker 3 is designed to connect directly to smartphones without needing any special equipment. This could be life-changing for people in remote areas where regular mobile networks don't reach. Whether in deserts, forests, or rural villages, users could get reliable calls, texts, and internet access straight from space. Blue Walker 3 is a test model for a future network of satellites that could provide global broadband coverage. However, its large, reflective surface has sparked concerns among astronomers, as it could make the night sky harder to observe and contribute to space clutter. Brain-computer interfaces. Imagine controlling your phone, computer, or even a robotic arm just by thinking. That's the power of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, technology that connects the human brain directly to devices. By reading brain signals and turning them into commands, BCIs let users control software, machines, and even prosthetics without moving a muscle. This breakthrough could change lives, especially for people with paralysis, muscle disorders, or injuries. With BCIs, they could regain mobility, communicate more easily, and even operate wheelchairs or robotic limbs just by thinking about it. Hospitals and rehabilitation centers are also exploring BCIs to help speed up recovery for patients with brain and nerve injuries. But BCIs aren't just for medical use. Companies like Neural are working on non-invasive versions, such as smart headphones, that could be used in daily life. Imagine adjusting your music, typing a message, or playing a video game with just your thoughts. CyberDog 2, a smarter, more lifelike robotic pet. Xiaomi's CyberDog 2 is an advanced robotic dog that's smaller, smarter, and more realistic than ever. Weighing just 8.9 kilograms and standing 36.7 centimeters tall, this AI-powered robot is designed for both research and as an interactive companion. It can walk, dance, and even change colors using a special body scan feature, making it feel more like a real pet. What makes CyberDog 2 truly impressive is its ability to learn. Unlike traditional robots that only follow pre-programmed instructions, this robotic dog is trained using Xiaomi's AI reinforcement learning platform. With data from over 30,000 AI dogs, it moves naturally, reacts intelligently, and improves its abilities over time. CyberDog 2 isn't just a cool gadget, it's a glimpse into the future of robotics. Whether assisting in research, acting as a high-tech pet, or simply showcasing the latest AI innovations, this robot proves that machines can be both intelligent and lifelike. Hybrid solar technology. Smarter, more efficient solar power. Hybrid solar technology is changing the way we harness solar energy, making it more powerful and reliable. Virtue's modular design makes installation and maintenance easier and more affordable. Each solar tube has its own mounting system, which saves time and materials compared to traditional bulky panels. Sitting just 25 centimeters above the roof, this system is sleek and low profile, reducing wind resistance and planning issues. The tubes are positioned at precise angles to capture maximum sunlight throughout the year. In winter, they prevent shading, while in summer, they maximize energy output. A built-in reflector increases peak performance by 40% and boosts annual energy yields by 15%. One of the biggest advantages of this technology is its vacuum-sealed tubes. These tubes reduce heat loss, allowing the system to generate hotter water and processed heat, even in cold climates. Hydrogen fuel cell. Imagine a car that doesn't release harmful gases, just water vapor. That's exactly what hydrogen fuel cells can do. They generate electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen, producing only water as a byproduct. This makes them one of the cleanest energy sources for transportation. Hydrogen fuel cell cars have some big advantages. They refuel just as fast as gasoline cars, no long charging waits like electric vehicles. Plus, they can travel much farther on a single fill-up, making them perfect for long trips. Since they convert most of the hydrogen into usable energy, they're also highly efficient. But there are still some challenges. Right now, there aren't enough hydrogen fueling stations, so it's not easy to use these cars everywhere. Also, producing hydrogen in a clean and affordable way is still a work in progress. Scientists are working on making hydrogen fuel more sustainable, and once they do, these cars could become a huge part of a cleaner future. Lab-grown meat. Imagine eating real meat without needing to raise or slaughter animals. That's exactly what lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat, aims to do. Instead of traditional farming, scientists grow real animal muscle cells in a lab. They take a tiny sample from a cow, chicken, or other animal and place it in a nutrient-rich solution where it multiplies and forms muscle tissue, just like regular meat. This technology could completely change the food industry. It requires far less land, water, and resources, making it an environmentally friendly alternative. Plus, since it's produced in a clean and controlled setting, lab-grown meat could be safer, free from antibiotics, hormones, and common livestock diseases. While still in development, companies are working to make it affordable and available in stores and restaurants. In the future, you might enjoy burgers, nuggets, or steaks made without harming animals or the planet. Lithium metal batteries are a groundbreaking power source that could change the way we use technology. They store much more energy than traditional lithium-ion batteries, but without increasing in size. This means electric cars could drive much farther on a single charge, and smartphone laptops could last for days without needing to be plugged in. The key difference is in the anode, which is made from pure lithium metal instead of graphite. This small change makes a huge impact, allowing batteries to hold more power while staying lightweight. However, there's one big challenge. Lithium metal is highly reactive, which can lead to safety concerns like overheating or short circuits. Scientists are working hard to improve the stability of these batteries, and if they succeed, lithium metal technology could revolutionize energy storage. Not only would it make electric vehicles more practical, but it could also lead to smaller, more powerful gadgets and a greener, more sustainable future. Nanoscribe, the future of tiny 3D printing. Imagine 3D printing at a microscopic level, creating structures smaller than a strand of hair. That's exactly what Nanoscribe does. Using an advanced technique called two-photon polymerization, this cutting-edge technology prints with extreme precision, down to just 100 nanometers. Nanoscribe's innovation is changing industries. In medicine, it helps scientists develop tiny structures for bioprinting, leading to breakthroughs in research and healthcare. In photonics, it allows the creation of ultra-precise optical components that improve communication and imaging technology. It's also transforming micro-optics, micromechanics, and biomedical engineering by enabling the production of incredibly small yet powerful structures. With over 4,000 users across 30 countries, Nanoscribe is driving the future of microscopic manufacturing. Its grayscale lithography and high-precision 3D printing are helping industries build more efficient, advanced, and compact designs. Nanotechnology, small wonders, big impact. Nanotechnology is changing the world by working with materials at the tiniest level, atoms and molecules. This incredible science is already transforming medicine, electronics, energy, and materials in ways we never imagined. Picture medicine that targets diseases with perfect accuracy, making treatments more effective with fewer side effects. Imagine phones and computers becoming faster and more powerful while using less energy. Think of ultra-strong yet lightweight materials that could make everything from cars to buildings more durable and efficient. Scientists are using nanotechnology to create tiny sensors that detect health issues early, super efficient solar panels that generate more energy, and long-lasting batteries that power the future. Carbon nanotubes are being used to build stronger materials, and quantum dots are making TV screens and medical imaging clearer than ever. Skyway Dubai, the future of city travel. Imagine gliding above traffic in a sleek, driverless pod. This is the vision of Skyway Dubai, a cutting-edge transportation system designed to make city travel faster, smoother, and more efficient. Developed by Skyway Technologies in partnership with Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority, RTA, this elevated rail system will use high-speed pods that move along suspended string rail cables. Unlike traditional trains, Skyway Dubai's lightweight pods offer a quiet, energy-efficient ride, helping to reduce congestion and pollution. Each pod can transport thousands of passengers per hour, making commuting easier and less stressful. The system is designed to handle around 8,400 people per hour in both directions, providing a smart solution for Dubai's growing population. But Skyway isn't just for people. It will also transport cargo, improving delivery speed while reducing road traffic. Smart cities. Imagine a city that makes life easier without you even noticing. Smart cities use advanced technology, sensors, and real-time data to improve daily life, making everything more efficient, convenient, and eco-friendly. Traffic lights adjust automatically to reduce congestion, helping cars move faster. Smart garbage collection ensures waste is picked up only when needed, cutting costs and pollution. Energy systems adjust power usage to save electricity, and smart parking apps help drivers find open spots quickly. Digital kiosks provide instant access to city services, directions, and important updates. But smart cities aren't just about convenience. They also focus on sustainability. They promote green energy, electric public transport, and water-saving solutions to reduce pollution and protect the environment. Imagine walking through a city where streetlights turn on only when needed, public transport runs smoothly, and buildings use energy wisely. Solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries are the next big thing in energy storage, set to change how we power everything from electric cars to smartphones. Unlike regular lithium-ion batteries, which use liquid inside, these batteries use a solid material to move energy. This makes them safer, longer-lasting, and much more powerful. One of the most exciting benefits is speed. Imagine charging an electric car in just minutes instead of waiting for hours. They also hold more energy in a smaller size, which means electric vehicles can drive farther on a single charge, and gadgets like smartphones and laptops could run much longer without needing to be plugged in. But there are still some hurdles. Right now, they're expensive to produce, and scientists are working on making them more durable and affordable. Once these challenges are solved, solid-state batteries could completely change how we use energy. They could make electric cars more practical, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and lead to a cleaner, more efficient future. X Real One, formerly called Real Light, is a futuristic pair of augmented reality AR smart glasses that bring digital content into the real world. These lightweight, stylish glasses create high resolution holograms right in front of your eyes, making gaming, streaming, and remote work more immersive than ever. Imagine watching a movie on a giant virtual screen, playing a game with life sized characters in your living room, or viewing 3D models as if they were right in front of you. Xreal One seamlessly blends digital and physical experiences, making everyday tasks feel futuristic. Compatible with smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles, these glasses turn any space into an interactive environment. Whether you're multitasking, video calling, or exploring new virtual worlds, Xreal One enhances the way you see and interact with technology. With built-in spatial audio and easy-to-use controls, these smart glasses provide an intuitive and comfortable experience.